Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. Some vehicles have two batteries. They have the regular 12-volt starting battery and an auxiliary or a small additional battery that is usually used to keep the vehicle's electrical system voltage from dropping too low during periods like start-stop when the engine starts. And this is particularly useful to keep things like GPSs and computers from resetting. And this particular vehicle is a Mercedes E320, and this little battery is located under the hood, under this little cowling. The main battery is back in the trunk. To replace this little battery, which will go bad after a while, is a fairly straightforward procedure. But before you begin, always check the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you have everything you need. If you're familiar with the procedure, you don't forget anything. Now let's get started. The first step is to remove the housing that covers the auxiliary battery. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. Now, using the proper size wrench, in this case a 10mm, we'll loosen the bolt for the ground line and remove it from the battery. Next, lift the cover for the positive line and loosen the bolt and remove the positive ground line from the battery. Next, loosen the nut for the battery's hold-down bracket and fold the hold-down bracket back. Now we can remove the auxiliary battery. When installing the new battery, be sure that the positive line doesn't contact any metal parts of the vehicle. The next step is to fold down the hold-down bracket and tighten the nut to 6 Newton-meters. Now we can reinstall the positive line onto the positive battery terminal and tighten the bolt to 6 Newton-meters. Next, reinstall the negative line onto the negative battery terminal and tighten to 6 Newton-meters. Now we can reinstall the housing. And the housing cover. And we're done.